In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export leads in Zoho CRM. Exporting leads effectively can streamline your workflow, simplify your data management efforts, and make data analysis a lot more efficient. Let's dive right in and walk through these steps together, ensuring you can confidently handle this important task. First, we'll begin on your Zoho CRM dashboard. In the upper right corner, you'll see the Setup icon, which looks like a small gear. Click on this icon to open the Setup menu. Here, under the Data Administration section, find and select Export. This area is where you'll have access to all your exporting options. Now, once you're in the Export section, direct your attention to the Select Export Module drop-down menu. From these options, choose Leads. This is the module we are focusing on today, and it gives us access to all the valuable leads data we've collected in Zoho. Next up is configuring your export. This is where you'll decide what data you want to export and in what capacity. You'll have several choices for what records to export. You can select all records, which allows you to export up to 3,000 records per export. Alternatively, you can choose a custom view, or you might even have specific filter criteria in mind that narrow down your export to exactly the information you need. Think about what your goal is with this exported data and select accordingly. After you've determined which records to export, it's time to move forward to selecting fields. You can either export all fields associated with those records, only the fields from the chosen view you've selected, or manually choose specific fields that you're interested in. Keep in mind, there's a cap allowing up to 200 fields, so choose wisely, especially if you're dealing with multiple datasets. Take note of any lookup constraints as they might affect how data is displayed or linked. Once you've meticulously configured all these export settings, you're ready to start the export. All you need to do is click Export or Start Export. Zoho will begin processing your task, adding it to the export history list. Initially, you will see its status marked as In Progress. Don't worry, this will soon change. Upon completion, the status will update to Completed. You're almost there. Now, all you have to do is click Download to retrieve your exported leads. The file will be saved as a zipped CSV file on your computer. A quick reminder: that download link will remain available for 7 days, giving you ample time to secure your data. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to export leads from Zoho CRM, equipping yourself with the tools to effectively manage and utilize your data outside the CRM environment. Keep exploring Zoho's robust features, and until next time, happy exploring.